again, it is time for the last beach adventure of Tallinn, Estonia. And I'm once again at Linnahalli Rand, this pebble beach next to the port that is quite crowded on this wonderful Sunday afternoon. And it's out on the open Baltic Sea. So yes, it is time for another beach adventure with Chris, and the last one before I depart in let's see, in 3.5 hours from the Tallinn airport later today. It has been a blast for the 3 days I was in here, and I look forward to come back here once again soon. So yes, now it's time for the last swim for this time in Tallinn. So let's then get going. We have 22 degrees Celsius in the sea, and it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air right now. Here we have some remains of what they used to be a port, and the water here, it gets super deep very fast, and it is mix of rocks with seaweed. We have even a jellyfish here that you can see. You see it? Yeah, that's a jellyfish. So, oh, there are a few more over there. Amazing. Amazing indeed. So yes, this is probably the closest beach to the center of the city, just 1 kilometer from the old town, and it's actually a wonderful view, and it has even evening sun as it is right now. So let's then enjoy this last swim in Tallinn, as I have been enjoying it for the past 3 days, and despite having in the forecast being cloudy and rainy, it was mostly sunny. So yes, with this view of the Linnahalli Rand, we are going to take a dive and enjoy in this scenic nature here in Tallinn. So let's go! Amazing. Right, it was quite a hot day today, and I actually did manage to run 18 kilometers and to explore 2 further beaches from center of the city. You can see also here the cruise ships passing by as well, as Tallinn is one of the most important ports in the Baltic Sea, with many cruises that pass here. So yes, this is the view of the beach, and quite nice, quite nice. And I just can't believe that my flight is in 3.5 hours, and I would need to get home. But that's okay, because in Sweden we have also the Baltic Sea that I have been swimming in throughout the whole summer now. So it's gonna be nice again. But yes, I'm so happy that I have explored Tallinn and did beach adventures here. So hope you enjoyed this segment, this series of beach adventures with Chris from Tallinn, Estonia. And yeah, with this view of the beach, I'm going to say goodbye for now until the next beach adventure, that is going to be probably from Sweden again. So greetings from Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, from this central beach, Linnahalli Rand, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.